Mumps. Introduction. Only children can get the mumps virus. Select true or false. Correct. Anyone who is not immune to mumps from a previous mumps infection or vaccination can get the mumps. Who of the following is immune to mumps? Choose one of the following options. 1. An adult male who had mumps when he was 7 years old. 2. A pregnant woman who had a mumps vaccine when she was a child. 3. Both 1 and 2. Correct. Everyone who gets mumps displays symptoms. Select true or false. Correct. Mumps can spread easily because many people who have it never show symptoms, but these people can still transmit the virus. Mumps often causes serious health problems. Select true or false. Correct. Mumps is usually a mild disease, although some complications can happen. What is the best way to treat a mumps infection? Choose one of the following options. 1. Drink plenty of fluids. 2. Rest often. 3. Take over-the-counter pain relievers. 4. All of the above. Correct. Supportive care is the best way to treat mumps. Supportive care makes a person feel more comfortable while their body fights off an infection. Antibiotics can fight the mumps virus. Select true or false. Correct. Mumps is a viral infection, so antibiotics cannot treat it. Resting, drinking plenty of fluids, and taking over-the-counter pain medication can help ease the symptoms. To help stop the spread of the mumps virus, you should do which one of the following? Choose one of the following options. 1. Wash your hands well and often with soap. 2. Regularly clean surfaces that are frequently touched. 3. Minimize contact with people who are sick. 4. All of the above. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.